Yeah. Because you asked her to go to the children's library. He knows what to do. He knows what to do. Oh, oh. He knows. Careful. Shh. Go to the take. You said you're gonna get go to the children's library.
Mine.
You can share.